Okay, everybody. So in this question, I'll be teaching about how to find out stationary points. But in the beginning, we can see that there is a question that y is equals to x power 4 minus 4x cube. Find the value of y when x is equals to -1. So it means that we have to put -1 in the question. -1 power 4 minus 4 into -1 whole cube. So don't try this by your own. You have to use the calculator because -1, because you can face some error. -4 minus 4 bracket -1 bracket close whole cube. So the answer is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, find the two stationary points of the curve y is equals to x4 minus 4x cube. First of all, distribute the paper into two pieces. The first step is take derivative. So dy by dx equals, so derivative of d by dx of x power 4 minus 4x cube. So look at the first term. You can see that in this first term, this is x power 4. As I told you, power comes down and 1 minus from the power. Okay, now minus remains the same. You can see that we have to multiply these two. 4 threes are 12, and then power comes down, so it means 2. So now the question is now cubic. Now we have to put equals to 0. So 4x cube minus 12x square equals 0. I can see that I can take 4x square as common. So I'm left with x minus 3 equals 0. So dividing by both sides by 4x square, as we can see that we have two coordinates, so that would be something like 4. We have to drag a line. So 4x square equals 0 means that x equals 0. I got one coordinate. Another coordinate is x minus 3 equals 0. So x is equals to positive 3. I got the two coordinates of x, so which is 0 and that is 3. Now to find out y, we have to put value of these x coordinate in the question. So that is what the third step is. So y equals 0 power 4 minus 4 into 0 cube. So the answer is 0. Another coordinate y2 would be 3 power 4 minus 4 into 3 whole cube. So please do it with the help of calculator. So 3 power 4 minus 4 bracket 3 bracket close whole cube. So the answer is -27. So these are the two turning points of this question. Okay, by the way, in this question nothing is written about the maximum or minimum. So when you have the question like that, so you have to take the derivative, second derivative, to determine the nature, that whether which one of the following is maximum or a minimum. So take second derivative and put x. Like for example, if I take second derivative of the first one, so we can see that we have to take the second derivative. That would be something like that 4 3s are 12x square minus 12 2s are 24x. That would be the second derivative. So now we have to put the answer x equals to 0. If I put x is equals to 0, the answer is neither positive nor negative. So we can't say that this is maximum or minimum, but we can tell about this is 3. So when this is 3, so 12 is 3 bracket square minus 24 bracket 3 bracket close, that is equals to 36. So the result is positive. It means that this is what? If the result is positive, it means that this is the minimum point of the graph. So the other one is now maximum. Okay, is this clear? So that's what it is. Now look at the question. They say that y is equals to xp plus 2xq, where the result of the derivative is given. So it means that x power p is something, and 2x, wait a minute, let me write this, 2x q. So it means that here we have 11. So it means that it was x power 11, because if I got this idea by 11, because power comes down, so that can be written as at 11x power 10. Okay, so the value of p is 11. That's good. Okay, now we know this that 4 times power comes down, so it means that we have to multiply this with some number. So it is, for example, it if it is 5, so that can be 10, because 5 times 2 is 10. So I can see that 2x 5, so it would be 10x 4. So that's how I got the idea that q equals 5 and p equals 11. So p equals 11 and the value of q is 5. So that's how I got the values. Thank you so much, everybody.